Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test your car's oxygen sensor. This crucial component measures the oxygen content in your exhaust gases, sending vital information to your engine's computer. A properly functioning sensor ensures optimal fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. We'll cover simple checks and more advanced diagnostic methods to help you identify any issues and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Before diving into electrical tests, always start with a thorough visual inspection. Look closely at the oxygen sensor itself for any obvious physical damage, cracks, or excessive carbon buildup. Next, carefully examine the wiring harness for any signs of fraying, cuts, or corrosion. Make sure the electrical connector is firmly seated. Also, check for any exhaust leaks near the sensor, as these can affect its readings. Now, let's use a multimeter. First, ensure your engine is at its normal operating temperature. Locate the oxygen sensor's signal wire and connect your multimeter to it, set to read DC volts. You should observe the voltage fluctuating rapidly between approximately 0.1 and 0.9 volts. If the voltage remains consistently high, low, or doesn't fluctuate much, it often indicates a problem with the sensor. For a more in-depth diagnosis, an oscilloscope is invaluable. Connect the oscilloscope to the oxygen sensor's signal wire, just as you would with a multimeter. The oscilloscope will display a waveform, which should ideally be smooth and consistent, cycling rapidly. A sluggish or erratic waveform, or one that doesn't reach the expected voltage extremes, can pinpoint a slow or failing sensor, providing precise diagnostic information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.